Hello everyone, welcome to the Educon community, and today we are going to start a new playlist that is logical reasoning. And today we will discuss about the linear arrangement, okay, or linear sequencing. Linear arrangement or linear sequencing. Okay, so basically it is essentially arranging the items given in a sequence in a single line. That is, it is left and it is right. Clear? And the questions of this type are also referred to as sitting arrangement. And the word sitting arrangement should not be misconstrued, and it should not be treated as consisting of questions involving only persons sitting as per specified conditions. Essentially, these questions involve arranging the subjects or means peoples or things satisfying the given conditions. The arrangement is done only on one axis end. So one end is left and one is right, and hence the position of the subjects assumes importance here in terms of order, like first position, second position, third positions, in this way nth positions. Okay, and one important point is that if suppose A, B, C, D are four persons, then in the questions, if it is mentioned that C is in the right position of A, so this does not mean that C is exactly in the right position of A. Okay, maybe there are two blanks, then C. Okay, or three blanks. So there are so many possibilities. Means if it is mentioned that C is in the right position of A, means maybe it is one AC, then dot dot, or two A C dot three C 4. So you can see that there are so many possibilities. So exactly not in the exactly right of A. Okay. So you have to remember this thing. Okay. So mm, we will continue with our questions. So first read the first question. And there are five questions under this passage. So read the small passage that seven persons, Paul, Queen, Rax, Sam, Tom, Unif, and Valley, are sitting in a row. Rax and Sam sit next to each other. There must be exactly four persons between Queen and Valley. Sam sits to the immediate right of Queen. Okay, so there must be exactly four persons between Queen and Valley. So let us write down the conditions given in short form, that in this way P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V. Okay. Then represent them pictorially, and also let us treat the left of the person sitting as left and their right as right for interpreting the conditions. Okay. So Rax and Sam sit next to each other. It is the first condition. Rax and Sam sit next to each other. Okay. So maybe in RS or in SR. Okay, there are exactly 4 persons between Queen and Valley. So maybe Q, then 4 gaps in this way, or V, 4 gaps, then Q in this way. And Sam sits to the immediate right of Queen. Okay, so so Sam is exactly or immediate right of Queen, means Queen then Sam in this way. Okay, now let us analyze the data or conditions that we are given, and then put the 3 conditions together. Let us number the seats from our left to right as seat number 1 to seat number 7. And since S is to the right of Q, and since R and S have to be next to each other, R can come only to the immediate right of S. Thus, R, S, and Q will be in the order R, S, Q. That's clear. These are in the order. Okay. So, suppose in this way, it is in left, it is in right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. So, one is that it is arrangement 1, and it is arrangement 2. It is left and right. Okay. So here it is QS and R. Okay. And as there are 4 gaps between Q and V, so V is in that position. Okay. And approach 2 is that it is Q and it is V. There are 4 gaps. Okay. And this is QS and R. Okay. So we specified these 4 positions, and we don't know these 3 positions. Okay. So, and here see that S is exactly immediate right to Q in 2 approach. Okay. So read the first question. Read the first question, that if Paul and Tom are separated exactly by 2 persons, then who sits to the immediate left of Valley? Okay. So these are the only 2 arrangements possible for the 4 persons B, R, S, and Q. And the other 3 persons, means Paul, Tom, and Unif, can sit in the 3 vacant seats in any order, as no information is given about them. So now, from the first question, Paul and Tom are separated by exactly 2 persons. So arrangement 1 is the only one possible, as in arrangement 2, Paul and Tom cannot have exactly no, 2 persons between them. So we have the possibility here in arrangement 1. So for question 1, we will see about arrangement 1. So, so maybe here it is Paul on or Tom, and if it is Paul, then here it will be Tom, and if here it will be Tom, then it will be Paul. So 1 person left, that is what is that, Unif. So here it is Unif. Okay, so see the question, who is sits to the immediate left of Valley? So immediate left of Valley is Unif. So C is the right choice. Clear? I think you got it. So read the next question. If Queen is not sitting at either extreme of the row, then who among the following has as many persons to his left as he has to his right? Okay, so if Queen is not at the extreme right, so approach one will be we don't take care about approach one. So arrangement two or approach two we will see. So for question two, we will see about the approach two. Okay. So from approach two, see that if Queen is not at the extreme right, then only arrangement two above is possible. And the person who has as many persons on his left as on his right can only be the person who is sitting in the middle. So who is in the middle position? Rax is in the middle position. Okay. Who seat number is 4. See that here there are 3 persons, and the right of Rax there are also 3 persons. So the option is C. Okay. Now read the third question. If Queen sits at one extreme, then who is at the other extreme? Okay. So Queen sits at one extreme means that we should look at arrangement one. Okay. So for question three, we again will see the arrangement one. Uh, okay. So in the arrangement, any one out of the 3 persons means Paul, Tom, or Unif can be in seat number one. That is extremely right. So we don't know. So extremely right. Maybe there will be Tom or Paul, Tom or Paul or Unif. Okay, Unif may be in this place. Okay, so but as there are 2 persons between Paul and Tom, so there are much probability that in the right position there will be Paul or Tom. Okay, so we don't know exactly we don't know the exact answer, so cannot be determined. So right choice is D. Now read the fourth question. Tom sits to the right of Queen and Paul is separated from Tom by exactly 3 persons. Then who is sitting to the immediate left of Bali? So if Tom and Paul are separated by exactly 3 persons, Tom and Paul are exactly separated by 3 persons. Okay. So this will be possible if we will see about the approach or arrangement 2. Okay, so we here will take care about arrangement 2. So Tom and Paul have to be in seats 3 and 7, since we are also uh, means here mm, Tom and Paul. So here we can write this U S R. Okay, and V here. Okay, so there will be exactly 3 persons. So maybe mm, Paul is separated from Tom by exactly. Okay, so Paul is here, Tom is here and Unif is here. Okay. Okay. This is the possibility. So PQS are TUV from left to right. So who is sitting immediate left of Vali? Again, Unif. So option A. Now in question 5, it's very interesting questions. In how many different ways can the 7 persons sit in a row? Okay. So we have two possible arrangement here. Arrangement 1 and arrangement 2 that we locked at already. And in arrangement 1 and 2, the 4 positions we already locked. Okay. So there are remaining 3 people. They can sit in the remaining 3 seats. Okay. And 3 persons can be sit in the remaining 3 seats in 3 factorial way, means 6 ways. So for one arrangement there will be 6 ways. So for 2 arrangement, means arrangement 1 and 2, there will be 6 into 2 means 12 ways. Okay. So right approach is, or right option is D. Clear? Okay. Now go to the next question. 7 boys, Rajan, Sam, Vardhan, Mitra, Vimal, Raj and Kishan are sitting in a row. Sam sits to the immediate left of Vardhan and third to the right of Rajan, whereas Mitra, who sits at the left extreme, is next to Kishan. Okay, so let us denote the left and right as below L and R. Okay, now let us represent the data given in pictorial form. We use the R for Raj. Okay, R for Raj, and for Ranjan or Rajan, RN. Okay, and VA for Vardhan, and VI for Vimal, S for Sam, and M for Mitra, and K for Kishan. Okay. Okay. Now Mitra sits at the left extreme. Okay. So Mitra here next to Kishan. So as their next, so K. And there are 7 boys, so say 5 gaps. Okay. Sam sits to the immediate left of Vardhan and third to the right of Rajan. So immediate left of Vardhan, Sam is immediate left. Okay, and third to the right of Rajan. So Rajan, it is Rajan, and there will be 2 blanks between them. Okay, so putting both the above together, Vardhan can go only to the extreme right position. Thus, we have the arrangement as in this way: M A R N V A Vardhan and Sam. So we covered 5 people and there are remaining 2 people. So Raj and Vimal occupy the 2 vacant seats between the Rajan and Sam. So read the question. Who is sitting to the immediate right of Sam? So immediate right of Sam is whom? That is Vardhan. Immediate right. So option D. Okay. If Vardhan and Kishan exchange places with each other without changing the rest of the arrangement that is already done, who will be sitting to the immediate left of Rajan? So here Vardhan, and here it will be Kishan. Okay. So who will be sitting to the immediate left of Rajan? So that is Vardhan. Now next question. If only Sam sits between Raj and Vardhan, who is exactly in the middle of the row. Okay. So Raj is here. Raj is here. So who is left? Vimal is left. So Bhimal is in the middle, as here 3, here 3. It is the middle position. So choice will be C, Bhimal. Now read the next question. Which of the following cannot confirm the seating arrangement of all the boys? Raj is to the immediate right of Rajan, whereas Bhimal is to the left of Sam. So statement A makes the arrangement as Mitra, then Kishan, option A wise. Okay. Mitra, then Kishan, then Rajan, then Raj, then Vimal, then Sham, and then Vardhan. Okay. Now next, what is B? Mitra and Raj have two persons between them. Firstly, see Raj's immediate right of Rajan. Okay. Mitra and Raj have two persons between them. So Mitra, then Kishan, then Rajan, then Raj, then Vimal, then Sam, and then Vardhan. Mitra and Raj have two persons between them. Look at this. See, Raj and Kishan have two persons between them. Raj and Kishan. Raj and Kishan. Okay. So Mitra, then Kishan, then Rajan. Look at this. Raj and Kishan. So Kishan, then someone, then Raj. Okay. So you may put Bhimal in this position. Then Sham, then Vardhan. Okay. Option D. Rajan and Sam have two persons in between them. Rajan and Sam. Rajan and Sam. If you put that, take this D, Rajan and Sam have two persons between them. Look at B. Rajan and Sam. Between them, there are already already two persons. So D options already clarifies the uh, statement of B. So it will not confirm the seating arrangement as unique. Okay. So option D will be the choice. So it cannot confirm the seating arrangement of all the boys. Okay. So next question is 10. Yes, I will erase this part. Okay. Next is, after arranging all the boys as per the conditions given in the data, if Rajan now exchanges his place with Mitra and Vardhan exchanges his place with Vimal, then how many persons will be there between Vimal and Rajan? Okay, so the arrangement is Mitra, then Kishan, okay, then Rajan, then Rajar Vimal, then Sham, then Vardhan. Okay, so Rajan exchanges his sorry, Rajan means in this place R or VI, or and in the next place VI or R, then Sham, then Vardhan. Okay, so Rajan exchanges his place with Mitra and Vimal with Vardhan. Then we have the following arrangement in this way: Rajan, then Kishan, then Mitra. So we swap this place. Okay. Then Raj or Vardhan. Then Vardhan or Raj. Then Sham. Then Vimal. Okay. So while we still do not know the exact position of Vardhan or which place Vimal sits, we can see that there are five persons between Rajan and Vimal. Okay, one, two, three, four, five. Okay, so we don't know exact position, but there are five persons. Okay, so C is the right choice. So that's for today. Uh, uh, do like, share, and subscribe for getting more such logical reasoning questions and solutions, discussions, and other playlists. Okay, thank you.